Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back in our kitchen. Beautiful tulips. What we're going today? Full meal fried rice. It's easy, it's super easy, it's super yummy, I promise you. So let's get working. I have grilled for 25 minutes eggplant. So I will be adding that to our fried rice. It's like a bit more of pilaf actually. So let's just check on our ingredients. Of course, the rice. It's a 2 days old brown rice. As you can see, it's fluffy. It's always better to use a few days old rice, not the freshly steamed or cooked rice. So what we have here is turmeric, smoked paprika, curry powder. It's an option, the curry powder, coriander seeds, crushed coriander seed. I have it ready here. I have soya sauce, sesame oil, and chili oil, crispy chili oil. I have Himalayan pink salt. I have 4 eggs here, beaten, slightly beaten. I will use that for fried rice and also for omelette, eggplant omelette. That's one of my favorites. So we have peanut oil, few tablespoons, with like 2 tablespoons of peanut oil heating up in medium heat. So I said full meal fried rice because we will add, I have a small can here of tuna. That's tuna in water, small can. I drained it, water off, and our usual ingredients: garlic, 4 cloves of garlic this time. We love garlic. 1 yellow medium-sized onion chopped, and leeks, a small stem, like few inches of leeks, the white parts of the leeks, and 1 stalk of celery, all chopped. And lastly, we will put the spring onion, the green onions, and the beautiful, colorful green pea, sweet corn, the turnips, and the parsnip. Yes, these are all frozen products. And just I mix them and I rinse a bit. It's all pre-baked, pre-boiled, so just to add color and of course value to our fried rice or pilaf. So let's start cooking, guys. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe. This won't be a long video, and stay with me. Cheers.